Hey guys, it's Kathy, Crafty, Chica. I'm here with my friend Thania from Subculture Recall.
Hey guys, how's it going?
So we were hanging out the other day and we were talking about the craze of the Halloween tree. There's so many cool Halloween trees out there, and we started thinking...
Yeah, in our brainstorm, just like maybe we were hungry at the same time, but we're like, what if we made a candy trick-or-treat tree?
Oh my gosh,
for Halloween.
Like the ultimate Halloween tree.
Yes.
A candy Halloween tree.
Yes.
Doesn't it sound genius?
Yes, so something that you could just have outside, and like, you know, like some introverts, we don't want to like, you know,
or lazy girls
that we don't want to like interact or just like leave the tree there, that we just have a tree propped up there and people can take a candy from the tree.
And we looked up, we researched, nothing like it that we could find. Now, I did make a Christmas candy tree, but it was a little one. This is like totally so much more epic.
Yes.
And I mean, it's the ultimate of Halloween trees ever, I think, because it's functional, you know?
Yeah.
You could just, like you said, put it out there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give you some homework so you can make your candy Halloween tree. We're gonna tell you what to get, and then we're gonna hop over to Subculture Recall's channel, and we're gonna show you how to put this tree together. These little 1-inch clothespins. You can get these in orange. We ordered them from Amazon. We didn't get it in time. Seriously, we just came up with this idea
last
recently.
minute.
And we're like, let's save it for next year. No, let's do it right now. We got to do it now. So you could paint these. You could just leave them solid like this. And then next you're going to need candy. Yes. Woo! So when it comes to the candy, this is what we were thinking. Because we're using these little clothespins, get some candy that's going to be easily clipped like this. So this might be kind of hard. You could open the little lip, but then someone's mom might get mad, like, oh my God, that box is open.
Right, there's razor blades in there.
Yeah, something bad, don't get it.
Yeah, so that's all you need. That's pretty much
candy and these little clothespins. Okay, go get that stuff, come back, go to Subculture Recall. Let's go make the tree.
All right, let's go.